Hi, welcome to Ask AD, and this week we're going to be taking a look at a brand new boot, and this is the new Springfield boot from Dewalt. Okay, so let's jump straight in, do a nice close-up of this so we can look through all of the key features of this boot and why I think it's going to be your winner for 2022. Okay, so if you're in the market for a brand new pair of boots this autumn, then don't look any further than this fantastic new pair of boots out from Dewalt. So this is the Springfield boot. It is brand new for 2022 and it's a beautiful looking boot. Actually, it's really well constructed, which is what you would expect from a brand like Dewalt. So what's different about this boot? This boot is incredibly comfortable, and that all stems from this ergonomic fit. So straight off you can see that this boot has got the ergonomic shape of an actual foot, and what we like about this boot is it is nice and wide as well. So your foot, when it sits in this, you can move your toes around. It's not getting squeezed, not getting pinched. So if you've got a slightly wider foot, then this is going to be better for you, but also it's still not compromising the fit. You've still got a good, tight, secure fit around here, but your feet can move around freely inside the boot as well. So it's not compromising on you, you're not slopping around like some boots out there. They make them wide, but they don't actually grip hold of your foot. So you just find that you're like just slopping about all over the place. Okay, so you can see this tread on here is a nice low profile, not too chunky, so you're not going to be dragging loads and loads of mud, picking a lot of debris up if you're going working around on a building site. Again, so it's a good solid sole unit on there. This is anti-slip SRC rated, nice and strong position here for your ladder grip as well. So it's a good all-round boot. Now you can see on the front there that this cap comes round and wraps over the front. That's just giving extra protection if you are kneeling down. So we've got a non-metallic toe cap, which again, like I said, is nice and wide. We've got a non-metallic midsole plate all the way through here, which is make sure that this is puncture resistant underneath. Okay, so this is the Pro Comfort footbed. Now, it's got lots of moulded points in here, and let's talk through it. So round here, you can see, if I just close that up, there you go. You can see actually your heel's going to sit in here, but it's actually got this heel support cushioning around the outside. So this basically wraps up around your heel, so it's going to hold the position in the boot and also give you an extra support there. Now, following round, you can see that you've got a nice arch there, so that is going to also help with support. If you're on your feet all day, this is really going to help. So this is an antimicrobial, so it's stopping any bacteria, and that's also reducing the odour. We've got a PU blown midsole through the middle here, which is adding to the spring, so it's giving nice comfort all day. The non-metallic toe cap, the non-metallic midsole, is also making sure that we're reducing down the weight of this boot. So it looks like a heavy boot, but this boot is 790 grams. Okay, so it's nice and light. So we've got plenty of padding around the cuff here, and you can see that the fabric has got a perforation in it as well, so that is expelling the moisture. It's making sure that your foot is nice and aerated there and breathable, so you're not going to get wet socks at the end of the day. Let's take a look at the toe. The toe here is stitched in right to this point here again because this is a waterproof boot, so the sock comes all the way up to here. So if you're working on a building site and it's wet, then you can stand in a puddle up to this point and you're not going to get wet socks. So just popping up now will be a link, and in there we'll show you where your local distributor is for these Dewalt Springfield boots, so you can pop over there, get a pair on your feet, try them on and see exactly what I'm raving on about here. This is a fantastic pair of boots. This is a new Springfield boot. It's out for 2022. Go and get yourself a pair now. You won't regret it. For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askad.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here, and for more videos, click here.